Hola chicos, ¿qué tal estáis? Bienvenidos a la última lección. Welcome to the last one. But I'm sure the work you've been doing on your own, together with my little help, is got you like really forward now in this journey we've been taking together for quite a while already. So this is the last episode. Written production, we know, but this is making a difference because that's the reason we're here, and to impress the examiner. So how do we write to impress? Let's get to it. Probably you know this mnemonic technique, okay, to remember what to check after the opinion piece and even before. You're gonna make sure all the adjectives are there and they're really nice and they match the number and the gender, verbs, all those conjugations, okay, all those tenses. Opinions, very important. This is the opinion piece. Connectives, linkers, yeah. Adverbs, oh, they look really nice. Description, and of course originality. After all, we're showing off. We offering an opinion on the topic that we believe to be original. Okay, so again, don't take anything from the rest of the paper. Go original, go creative. How do we write to impress? We use lots of connectors. We use lots of linking words. Go through your notes, read them all, pick your favorite ones. Forget about the rest, there's no point really. Let's be practical here. Stick to 1, 2, 3, 4 that you really like and try to avoid repetition. Same with the adverbs. Avoid phrases like pienso que, creo que. This is not junior certificate anymore. You can do better than that. En mi opinión, desde mi punto de vista, you get me? Sí. Mucha gente piensa que. You have all the options and you know them. Choose your favorite ones. ¿Cómo se sabe? Considerando que that's gonna make the examiner open their eyes much. Don't overuse the word problema. I see it all the time. Is a cliché, okay? Choose different things. Use sentence starters. Link the phrases in the beginning of the paragraphs, in between paragraphs nicely. Yeah, you get me? Go through your notes, read this carefully. All the devices, all the items, all the structures we can use, we can garnish our opinion piece with. And give the extra, okay? That's gonna make H3 become a H2, H2, H1. Don't use very cliche, basic verbs and go for the elaborate ones. You know what I mean. You have all of this in your notes, and by now, you know how to use those notes really well, don't you? So, to sum up, these are the areas to improve. And when you write an opinion piece, you're gonna make sure these 18 items, okay, they're perfect. Bullet points, 150 words. We're trying to achieve excellence, so go for the maximum, right? Things like comparative and superlative that seem very basic. I see lots of mistakes with this one. So be certain you have everything covered and don't go overconfident. Basic mistakes happen all the time. See? And finally, I recommend. After you go through the notes, sorry, I'm insisting again, get to the sample opinion piece written by one of my students and decide why this piece is an H1. Yeah? What's the difference here? Well, it's highlighted, okay? So I think it's quite obvious. But you are able to decide because now you know yourself and now you know the paper. And now you know what you're capable of, and now you know how to impress the examiner. That's it. We're done. Acabado. Eso es todo. Now it's up to you. You have all the tools. you've my help, you've the notes. There's really nothing stopping you from excellence. I hope you succeed. I wish you the best of the results and buena suerte. Hasta pronto.